Hello students, welcome to AJ Akshar Academy YouTube channel. In this session, I am going to discuss mechanical properties of fluids, objective problems and solutions. ఈ వీడియోను మొదటిసారిగా చూసేవారు దయచేసి లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి, సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి. మీ యొక్క అమూల్యమైన అభిప్రాయాలను మా కామెంట్ సెక్షన్లో తప్పక తెలియచేయండి. Okay, let us go to the today's session. Mechanical properties of fluids, objective problems and solution. Go to the first one. In this question, a brass sphere weighs 100 grams in air if it is suspended by a thread in a liquid of specific gravity 0.8. If the specific gravity of brass is 8, the tension in the thread in Newton is. Here you have to calculate tension in the thread. Tension in the thread you have to calculate. They given weight of the brass sphere 100 grams and specific gravity of liquid 0.8 and the specific gravity of brass they given 8. Let us go to the solution. Here they given weight is equals to 100 grams. That is mass of here m is equals to they given 100 grams and we are converting here grams into kilograms. 100 into 10 to the power of minus 3. 1 gram is equals to 1/1000 kilogram. So that is 10 to the power of minus 3 kilogram. This can be written as 10 square into 10 to the power of minus 3. That is equals to 10 to the power of minus 1. 10 to the power of minus 2 minus 3. How much? Minus 1. Minus 1 kilogram. So m is equals to 10 to the power of minus 1 kilogram. Next they given specific gravity is equals to. They given specific gravity is equals to, that is relative density. Sometimes you are calling relative density specific gravity. So dl by dw is equals to 0.8. They given 0.8 and from this we are writing dl is equals to 0.8 into dw. So next they given specific gravity of brass is. So specific gravity of brass is equals to 8 and this can be written as ds by dw is equals to 8. From this we are writing ds is equals to 8 into dw. Okay, next now we are finding the tension in the thread. Tension in the thread is equals to, tension in the thread is equals to, that is force F is equals to mg of 1 minus dl by ds. Substituting the values m nothing but 10 to the power of minus 1 and g 9.8 of 1 minus dl 0.8 into dw by ds is equals to 8 by dw. dw cancel 8 ones are 8 0.1 are. So that is equals to 10 to the power of minus 1. We are writing 1 by 10. 9.8 can be written as 98 by 10 into 1 minus 0.1. So that is equals to 91 into 98, 98. 10 into 10, 100 into 1 minus 0.1, 0.9. So that is equals to, we are writing here 98 into 0.9 becomes 88.2 by 100. That is equals to 0.882 newtons. This is the tension in the thread. F is equals to 0.882 newtons. Okay, next we will go to the next question. Second one, a block of wood floats in water with 2/3 of its volume submerged. The density of wood is, here we have to calculate density of wood. Let us go to the solution. Here, by the law of flotation, by law of flotation, weight of the body is equals to weight of displaced liquid. Weight of the body is equals to weight of displaced liquid. That is equals to weight nothing but we are writing mg. Mg of b nothing but here body, and here weight mg, here L nothing but liquid, here G gets cancels, and here we are getting mb is equal to ml. Rho is equals to density is equals to mass per unit volume, but mass is equals to volume into rho. So from this two we are writing, in the case of here mb, that is equals to v into rho b, that is equals to, here ml can be written as v in into rho L. M nothing but V into rho. From the definition of density, mass per unit volume. Mass is equals to volume into density. Density, here we are writing either D we can represent or rho. So V into rho B is equals to V inside, volume inside into rho L. Rho L nothing but density of liquid. See here total volume is V. Now here we are writing total volume is V. So V in is equals to 2/3 V. So here substituting V into rho B, V in nothing but 2/3 V into rho L. Rho L nothing but density of water. Density of water is 1 gram per cc. So V gets cancels. Now our final answer, density of wood is, wood nothing but here body, that is density of wood is equals to 2/3 into 1, 2/3 gram by cc. This is the final answer. So density of wood is equals to 2/3 gram by cc. Okay, gram per cubic centimeter. This is the final answer. Okay, next we will go to the next question. Next question, third one. A cube of side 20 centimeters is floating on a liquid with 5 centimeters of the cube outside the liquid. If the density of liquid is 0.8 gram per cc, then the mass of the cube is, here you have to calculate mass of the cube. Now let us go to the solution. Here given side of the cube is equals to, so given here given side, this is the side of the cube, they given as 20 centimeters, and V nothing but volume of the cube formula LBH, that is L into B into H. So that is 20 into 20 into 20. This is the volume of the cube, but here they are telling that with 5 centimeters of the cube outside the liquid. Suppose here we are placing the cube here, some part is here, this part is 5 centimeter outside the liquid. Suppose this is which is present in the liquid, and it is 15, one side is 20, 5 centimeters outside the liquid, the remaining is 15 centimeters inside the liquid. The total side is 20 centimeter. One side is 20 centimeters. Here they given the question 5 centimeter the cube outside the liquid. The remaining is 50 centimeters inside the liquid. One is a force which is acting downwards, that is mg, and one is a force acting vertically upward, that is a buoyant force. Here next now we are calculating here V inside nothing but 15 centimeters inside. So we are writing L into B into H. L nothing but here 20. 20 into breadth into height nothing but here only 15 centimeters inside. So that is you have to take 15. Now DL is equals to density of liquid is equals to they given as 0.8 gram per cc. And next, according to law of flotation, according to law of flotation, weight of the body is equals to weight of liquid. Weight nothing but mg. Mg of body is equals to mg of liquid. Here gg gets cancels. Mb is equals to m into L. Next we will write according to law of flotation Wb is equals to Wl, but we are writing here m of b is equals to ml. Here this can be written as mb is equals to ml can be written as v inside into rho l. Mass is equals to volume into density. So that is equals to here since rho is equal to m by v, m is equals to v into rho. So in the place of m we are writing v into rho. V in nothing but 20 into length into breadth into height into rho L they given as 0.8. So that is equals to 20 into 15 into this 0.8 can be written as 8 by 10. 10 ones are 10 twos are. So here 20 into 2 40, 40 into 15 into 8, that is equals to we are getting after multiplication 4800 grams. This converting into kilograms 4800 by 1000 0000 gets cancels. 48 by 10 can be written as 4.8 kilogram. This is the mass of the body. So MB is equals to, therefore final answer MB is equals to 4.8 kilogram. Okay, next we will go to the next question. Fourth one, a body floats with m by nth of its volume above the surface of water. Then the relative density of the material of the body is. Here we have to calculate relative density of the body. Let us go to the solution. Now here they given a body floats with m by nth of its volume. So V out is equals to, suppose here we are taking a body which floats in the water. This is completely outside. This is V out, and which is this is inside, V inside. One is a force acting vertically downwards, that is gravitational force, and one is a force acting vertically upward, that is a buoyant force. And they given V out is equals to m by n of V. So V in is equals to V minus V out. So that is equal to V minus m by n into V. Here we are taking common V. After taking V common, then we get 1 minus m by n. This can be written as V of taking LCM. n minus m by n. So this is V in volume inside. Now we are applying the law of flotation. According to law of flotation, or we can take for equilibrium position, for equilibrium, buoyant force is equals to gravitational force mg. So buoyant force is equals to gravity, that is F nothing but we can write Vm into A, M nothing but Vn into rho L into G, that is equals to M nothing but rho M into V into G. Here this M can be represented as density into volume. This G gets cancels. V in nothing but n minus m by n into rho L, density of liquid. Here this V in is equals to V into n minus m by n. Here rho m into V gets cancels. So Rd is equals to, relative density is equals to rho m by rho L is equals to n minus m by n. This is a relative density, that is rho m by rho L is equals to n minus m by n. This is final answer. Okay. Next we will go to the next question. Next question, fifth one. When a body is lighter than water is completely submerged in water, the buoyant force acting on it is found to be n times its weight. The specific gravity of the material of the body is. Here we had to calculate specific gravity of the material. Let us go to the solution. Suppose here we are taking water, a body is completely submerged in water, and after this one, the force is acting vertically upward, that is a buoyant force, and another force is acting vertically downwards, that is gravitational force. So for the equilibrium position we are writing buoyant force is equals to n times the weight of, here the given buoyant force acting on it is found to be n times of its weight, n into weight, n times of its weight. So Fb is equals to, we are writing V into rho L into G, that is equals to here n into weight nothing but m into G. So that is equals to V into rho L into G is equals to, m can be written as V into rho G into G. G gets cancels, V gets cancels. So specific gravity of the material of the body is rho B by density of body by density of liquid is equals to 1 by n. Here n into rho G, here n into, sorry, this is a rho B, density of body, and this is density of liquid. So rho B is equals to n into rho B is equal to 1 by n. Here V into rho L into G is equal to n into V into rho B into G. G gets cancels, V gets cancels. Here we are getting rho L is equals to n into rho B. Here we are finding the specific gravity of the material, that is ratio of density of the body to the density of liquid, that is equals to 1 by n. So therefore specific gravity is equals to 1 by n. Okay, this is the final answer, 1 by n. Answer is 1 by n. Okay, next we will go to the next question. Sixth one, a boat having length 2 meters and width 1 meter is floating in a lake. When a man stands on the boat, it is depressed by 3 centimeters. The mass of the man is, here we have to calculate mass of the man. Let us go to the solution. Now first given L is equals to length is equals to 2 meters they given, and width is equals to they given as 1 meter, and height they given as 3 centimeters. Converting into meters, 3 into 10 to the power of minus 2 meters. Here now we are calculating volume inside. V inside L into B into H, that is equals to 2 into 1 into 3 into 10 to the power of minus 2. L nothing but 2, B is equal to 1, H is equal to 3 into 10 to the power of minus 2. That implies 2 3s are 6. So V inside is equal to 6 into 10 to the power of minus 2 we are getting. Now we are finding the mass of the man. M is equals to V in into rho L, volume into density, that is equals to 6 into 10 to the power of minus 2 into density of liquid 1000. This can be written as 10 cube. 6 into here 10 to the power of minus 1, 10 cube. 3 minus 2, 1. So 60. 6 into 10, 60 kilogram. So the final answer, mass of the man is equals to 60 kilogram. Okay, this is the final answer. Next we will go to the next question. Next question, seventh one. If S1 is the specific gravity of a solid with respect to liquid and S2 is specific gravity of liquid with respect to water, then calculate specific gravity of solid with respect to water. So let us go to the solution. Here they given S1 nothing but specific gravity of solid with respect to liquid. S2 nothing but specific gravity of liquid with respect to water. So S1 is equals to ds by dl, and S2 is equals to dl by dw, density of liquid by density of water. This S1 nothing but density of solid by density of liquid. Here we have to calculate specific gravity of solid with respect to water. So ds by dw is equals to, that is S is equals to S1 into S2, that is equals to S1 nothing but ds by dl, and S2 nothing but dl by dw. dl cancel, we are getting ds by dw. So hence we are writing S is equals to specific gravity of solid with respect to water is S1 into S2. This is final answer. S is equals to S1 into S2. Okay. Thanks for watching this video.